The land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. Oh, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me.
I'm fearless because I was taught that if you're not confident, you won't make it in life, basically.
I am confident because that is how my mom raised me, and she raised me well. So thank you.
I am positive because I have God on my side. I'm that one person who just spreads positivity. The joy of the Lord is my strength. I'm always out there to make people's lives better. Add that smile, smiling for people, making sure that everyone is happy.
I'm strong because my past experiences have taught me to grow up from a young age. Therefore, my strong courage comes from everything that I've gone through, and I know that in the future God has good plans in store for me. Therefore, I know that with Him on my side, there is nothing in this world that will defeat me.
I am unique because I'm a woman who has mission and vision, a woman who's able to stand her own ground. I am a woman of my own mission and vision. That's why I am unique.
I am capable because my father named me Katleo, and Katleo directly translates to success. I believe that I am capable because everything that has stood in my way so far, I've been able to overcome. I am made on purpose with purpose, and I trust in the timing of everything.
Thank you very much for the great young woman empowerment. And I'm so proud on behalf of the school, Hudson Park High School, for the girls who came out and who were part of the event. It was very important, and I wish for the future for you, ma'am, to come to our school, especially for the month of GBV and victim empowerment workshops. Thank you so much for Kia as well for inviting us.
Like Desh said about the vision board, I basically wrote on every single mirror in my house, and I do have a lot, I am Mrs. PE. And every time I walk past a mirror, I looked in the mirror and I said, I am Mrs. PE, until I started believing myself. And yes, that year I was crowned Mrs. PE for that year. And I got involved in the community, in disadvantaged communities. And I had really learned so much about other people and about myself. And it was just an absolute great journey for me. And the one quote where she also said to you, I'm possible, is something that I've used as well in my year of 2016, is nothing is impossible, because the word itself says, I'm possible. So I always believe in that. So then I ended up at Kia with, I moved to East London in 2019, and with help of a friend that I know, he actually introduced me to Kia, gave me the opportunity to start being a sales lady for the first time ever. Got no experience in sales. and I started at Kia, and absolutely amazing colleagues, motivating, encouraging. So there's always place to grow. So yeah, never stop believing in yourself. We look forward to have you at Kia one day, and whether it's employment or to buy a car from us. I remember you all the matric ladies when you've done your licenses. So yeah, thank you so much for coming out to us today, and just believe in yourself.
Guys, we just want to say thank you very much for attending this workshop with Desh Pillay and her team. Thank you for coming out and representing Hudson Park High School. At the same time, I'd just like to thank Desh and the gentleman here today. This event was proudly sponsored by Kia South Africa and also MFC by Avo, which is also a division of Nedbank. We thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon. We hope to do a talk with Hudson Park High School in the year to explain a few things and empower more women. Myself and Christo from Kia's London would like to thank Kia South Africa for using us for this workshop. Thank you very much.